We are pleased to show you the 2024 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power steering, heated steering wheel, clock, power brakes, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.